Hello, hi today everyone. It is such a beautiful day. I'm going to give you the answer for this interesting question about the facts of Emmy Awards. And here's the question: which television show has won the most Emmy Awards of all time? Well, now I'll give you the answer for this question, and right after that, I'll give you a bit more explanation about the answer. And here is the correct one. The correct answer for the question is Saturday Night Live, and here is the explanation for that. Since its debut in 1975, Saturday Night Live has cemented its status as a monumental pillar of television history, securing over 90 Emmy Awards, a record that surpasses any other program. This enduring sketch comedy series has garnered critical acclaim across a diverse spectrum of disciplines, ranging from exceptional writing and directing to memorable guest appearances and technical excellence. Its ability to consistently perform at such high level has made it a prestigious benchmark for success within the competitive landscape of the entertainment industry. So that is correct answer for the question. Saturday Night Live. That's the correct answer. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.